All right, here we are with three of my miners that I've designed the racks for. Actually, I designed the two end racks. Those are both the same. And the center rack is purchased a rack, but I designed all of the component mounting hardware. Let me get a little closer here. I get around my my son's motorcycle. Anyway, let's see. What I built is a little bit hard to see in there, but anyway, I got the hangers for the GPUs built. These are 3D printed. I do them myself on my own design and my own printers, which are right over there with another miner running. That miner is going to be retired. The rack is going to be retired, and I'm going to put another one of these. I like these smaller racks better. As you can see, let me back up again. Don't think too badly of my messy garage. That's just the way we do stuff around here. Uh, my can't see it so much that way. Yeah, there, like that. You can see that one is noticeably larger on the far right, whereas the one on the center is noticeably smaller. That's both of these are designed for something around 12, maybe 14 GPUs. I would say 12 would be nice for the center one, and 14 would be fine for the larger ones. But what's nice about the center one is it's very inexpensive. I think I paid $29 for the rack. So I mean, for cheap, you can get I would call it a nice looking miner running. And of course, the components I made, I would have to sell for enough money to make it profitable enough to bother with. I don't know what that would be, but my guess is, I don't know, probably something under 200, maybe as low as 150, but I'd have to do some real analyzing. Anyway, the components, it's dark in here. You can see the PSU here. That's one of the sets of components. It mounts the PSU. In a similar fashion, it fastens to the PSU and mounts it onto the wire rack. You see the wire rack, how they're fastened there? They have two pieces, one on top and one on the bottom, and they screw together. Yeah, that's a better look. They screw together, pinching the wire rack so they're perfectly solid. It's just a real good way to do it, period. The racks, the flow of the fans, you can see they're going in that direction on this side, and get in there. Yep. Get over further. There we go. The opposite direction on the other side. So it's kind of like a going around in a circle thing, and it's very effective. You're pulling. As you move anything in a circle, it's going to want to proceed to the outside of the circle, so that means it goes away and goes up. So they cool really well. This one down here is much different than what anybody's would be. It's just primarily the rack and the hanging system that I use to the rack. This one has, if you notice, a center set of fans, and those are throwing the air upwards with the GPUs above them. So it's cooling everything underneath the GPU is being cooled because of the air draw. Above the GPUs, the heat is rising. So all of the heat on this one goes out the top, basically. And that would be the same for this one. But on this one, I don't have the the center fan array. Both work excellent. They're just really, actually, they're the best mining rigs I have ever seen for, I don't know if you call it home use, but things for where you don't really have to stick things in a tight, together type way because you got so many of them. These just really work good. Don't ever get hot. Of course, it's winter now, but I had them running this summer too. Anyway, that's enough of a video. I think I just, just wanted to kind of show it off, have a video in hand. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, if I'll ever manufacture and sell any of it, but this is the video for it anyway.